Welcome back to Nomad Engine. Today we step into a world where engineering meets artistry, where travel isn't just movement, but an experience sculpted with elegance. This is the Leisure Travel Van's Unity FX, a motorhome that doesn't just take you places, it makes every mile feel cinematic. As the camera fades in, imagine dawn breaking over a mountain pass, the first rays of sunlight brushing against smooth aluminum panels. The Unity FX stands there in perfect stillness, its stance balanced between confidence and grace. The body lines flow like a single brushstroke, the kind that designers spend years perfecting. Every curve, every seam feels intentional, as if the wind itself shaped it. The Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis gives it a presence that's both commanding and understated. It doesn't shout for attention, it earns it quietly. The LED headlamps cut through the early mist, while the sculpted front cap hints at precision more often found in high-end yachts than road-going homes. You notice the subtle chrome accents, the flush-mounted windows, and the seamless transition between fiberglass and aluminum, details that whisper luxury to those who know where to look. Then comes that first slow pan along the side, the dual-tone paint glistening under natural light, the powered awning quietly unfolding like a curtain rising before a show. You can almost hear the hum of adventure beginning. The Unity FX isn't about raw size or bulk. It's about proportion, design harmony, and that rare aesthetic balance between utility and sophistication. Step inside and suddenly, the outside world fades. Soft ambient lighting greets you like the lobby of a boutique hotel. The FX floor plan reveals itself, an interior that feels impossibly spacious for its size, made possible by clever Canadian engineering. Every inch has a purpose. To your left, the living area transforms with the press of a button, a power sofa that reclines into a bed, and swiveling captain's chairs that turn the cockpit into part of your lounge. It's not just smart design, it's transformation in motion. The materials feel premium, ultra-leather upholstery, real wood cabinetry, and Corian countertops. Each texture is chosen not just for appearance, but for the way it feels under your fingertips. You notice the craftsmanship immediately. The stitching is tight and deliberate. Cabinet doors close with a satisfying hush, the kind of sound that tells you quality lives here. Even the lighting, soft, dimmable, and layered, builds an atmosphere that changes from morning brightness to evening serenity with a single touch. The galley is compact but complete, a two-burner induction cooktop, a deep stainless sink, and a convection microwave that looks straight out of a modern apartment. It's not about having everything, it's about having everything you need, beautifully arranged. And when you stand at the counter looking through the wide panoramic window, the view becomes part of your kitchen, a living painting that changes with every destination. Move further back, and the FX reveals its most cinematic feature, the rear lounge, a space that can be a cinema, an office, or a retreat. Plush seating wraps around in an elegant curve, facing a hidden smart TV that rises with a quiet, mechanical sigh. You can almost imagine the rain tapping against the windows while you sink into that sofa, watching a movie, the glow from the screen mixing with the amber interior lights. Storage is abundant yet invisible, drawers that glide silently, compartments tucked where you least expect them. The bathroom, though compact, feels surprisingly open, with a corner shower framed in the stainless steel and a skylight that fills it with natural light. The overall impression? Every element in the Unity FX was built not for mass production, but for you. Now start the engine. The soft growl of the 3.0-liter V6 turbo diesel fills the cabin, refined yet powerful. The steering feels precise, the suspension firm but forgiving. Mercedes' 9-speed automatic transmission glides effortlessly through gears, turning long drives into pure meditation. Whether you're weaving through mountain roads or cruising the Pacific coast, the Unity FX handles with the confidence of a premium SUV, not a lumbering RV. Road noise is minimal, thanks to excellent insulation and soundproofing. The windshield feels panoramic. It doesn't just show you the road ahead, it invites you into it. Driving this machine isn't tiring, it's addictive. You begin to understand why so many Unity owners describe the experience as peaceful. Like the vehicle itself wants you to slow down, and notice the world again. And when you finally arrive, wherever your there happens to be, setup is nearly effortless. Stabilizers deploy, the awning extends, and your home on wheels transforms into a personal retreat within minutes. Then comes the part that always surprises people. Price. The leisure travel van's Unity FX starts at around 190,000 US dollars, depending on options. Yes, it's a luxury investment, but one that speaks to a certain kind of traveler. Not the one chasing the cheapest night's stay, but the one chasing the perfect one. You're not just buying a vehicle, you're buying craftsmanship, reliability, and a sense of calm that comes from knowing every detail was obsessed over. And exclusivity, that's part of the Unity DNA. Each model is handcrafted in Winkler, Manitoba, where production is limited to maintain quality. There's a reason you rarely see one on the lot. They're built to order, and for many, worth every month of waiting. The Unity FX isn't about showing off. It's about belonging. To the open road, to the silence of dawn campsites, to the idea that true luxury is freedom wrapped in precision. It's where design meets destination. So as the sun dips below the horizon and that soft LED glow fills the cabin, you realize this isn't just a motorhome. It's a story in motion. Every journey, every mile becomes a chapter in a film you're living, not watching. This was the Leisure Travel Van's Unity FX, refined, balanced, and endlessly inspiring. If you enjoyed this cinematic review, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Nomad Engine. Tell us, if you could take the Unity FX anywhere in the world, where would you go first? Until next time, keep exploring and stay inspired.